Hello my friends, thank you for tuning in. I'm Nessie and today I'm going to show you what are the best ways to make money online in 2024. Okay, so the first one is that I'm going to cover is YouTube, how to monetize YouTube, and with the other income opportunity you can create a lot of videos and content on YouTube, so you can build both of these two opportunities. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel, so I suggest you guys to watch this video until the end, and because it's very important for you. And first of all, this is my YouTube channel. I'm a premium member. Let's go to my YouTube studio. Okay, so right now you can start with the YouTube channel, and with the other opportunity that I will talk about, which is OLSP, you can they have a lot of products. You can make a lot of reviews about the second opportunity, and you can monetize your YouTube channel much faster. So how you can earn from YouTube channel in 2024 and beyond? It's very simple. You see I have you go to earn, you click on earn, and don't worry guys, I will make the same video in Hebrew, so all of my Hebrew audience, you will get the same chance to watch it in Hebrew. So if you want to monetize your YouTube channel, you need to reach in the first step, you need to reach 500 subscribers, 3 video uploads last 90 days, and you need to reach to 3,000 watch hours to be eligible for monetizing your YouTube channel. So as you can see, I have more than 500. Basically, let's proceed. Basically, if you want to monetize your YouTube channel, you need to reach 1,000 subscribers, and you need to have one of these, or 4,000 public watch hours, or at least 1 million views, 2 public shorts views in the last 90 days. Okay, so I'm not doing shorts. I'm focusing on regular YouTube videos. So you need to reach 4,000 watch hours in the last year, in the last 365 days. Okay, and you can get, and this is how you get paid. You earn from ads and YouTube Premium on the watch page. You can earn from ads on or around your videos, and from YouTube Premium subscribers watching your videos on the watch page. Okay, so this is the first income opportunity that you can monetize your YouTube channel and get passive income, make residual income from YouTube. Okay, so, and now I'm going to cover the second income opportunity. Is it's called OLSP, and you can make, because OLSP has a lot of content and a lot of products, you can make a lot of YouTube videos about OLSP on your YouTube channels, and you can earn from YouTube and from OLSP. Okay, so this is what I'm doing if you watch my previous videos about OLSP. So I will leave the link for OLSP if you want to join me. You also entitled to get a free Zoom call with me after you sign up if you need help, so I can guide you, but it's very simple. So this is how you can earn from OLSP. I will cover it for you, and I will leave the I will leave my Facebook link. Also, you can contact me on Facebook. You can join through the link through my landing page to OLSP, and I will leave also in the description, guys. I will leave the previous videos. I will leave the playlist link for all the previous videos I made about OLSP. Okay, so you can also learn from that playlist, because this is not my first video about OLSP. So let's cover it in real quickly. Right now I have commissions. I have $176.85, and this is my ranking. Okay, this is my ranking this month in OLSP. I accumulated until now 326 points, so I'm on the 28th position in the company. And if you join today, we have a live training today, so don't miss it, guys. It's amazing live training with the owner, with Wayne Crow, how to get flows of converting traffic without paying a cent. Okay, this is the webinar, and it's 3 hours and 46 minutes from now. So don't miss the webinar. So now I'm going to cover how you can really simple, how you can earn from OLSP. So you have it's very simple. You can start with the Mega Link. The Mega Link is only one time $7, not monthly, guys. Only one time, and you can and you get a lot of, once you purchase it, you get a lot of trainings. We'll find on the trainings, all the training videos under this section, like very important, like the Mega Link, the Facebook 101, and you get a lot of, and the Comment Dominator. So you can start with the Comment Dominator, and you can make, this is free, guys. This is free money. You get, I already made $60 just from commenting on Facebook posts. And okay, so we just this is 100% free. So whenever you see posts over here in the list, you can comment on them and get paid. So this is one way to earn from OLSP. And the second is the second way you can earn from OLSP is by using this, your Mega Link. Okay, with your Mega Link, you invite people to join the system. You just copy the Mega Link, invite people, and then if they purchase anything from here, anything, any product, almost anything, like at least 90% of the product, you get paid. Okay, and on 3 upfront products, you earn 100% commissions. So with one sale, guys, with one sale, you break even in OLSP. Okay, so we can cover the. As you can see here, we have 300 and this is from today. 851 commissions have been paid to members in the last 24 hours. Okay. So what I love about OLSP, when you invite people and they purchase anything, they become your customers. Okay, for good. So every time they purchase anything, even traffic, you always get paid from your first purchase of the Mega Link, which is only one time $7. You can make unlimited commissions from OLSP. Okay, and they give your referrals all the training. You see, you get all the training from the company. So your referrals, your customer get all the training from the company, from the webinars that Wayne is, providing every week, from the live training as we have today. And they do all the email marketing for you. So every person who joins through your link is starting to get, email marketing from the first moment. So you don't need to care about the email marketing, because OLSP is doing the email marketing for you. So they give you the training, they give you the, they make the email marketing for you, and they give you the support. So every time, your customers, your leads, they face an issue or something, they give you, you see on the right hand side, you see the live chat. So I can contact the support every minute I want, And if I have an issue, so you know, it's really a all around opportunity. Okay, so so if you join me, guys, you will find the link. You will get also a bonus. You will get a bonus when you purchase the mega link from me, and I will leave my team. I will leave my teams link also. So once you purchase the mega link, or even once you sign up, you can contact me through Teams. The link will be also under the video. So you get all the training and tips and my strategy how I make income from OLSP. Okay, so if you have any questions, over here you can see you have my upcoming events. You can see all the events. It's really organized company, serious company, and so with both opportunity with YouTube and OLSP, you can be a big winner in 2024, sorry. Okay, so if you have any more questions, just leave them under this video, and I will be more than happy to help you. And of course, you can also earn points. This is the leaderboards that I'm going to cover now. Sorry. So you can earn even if you reach the first place, the highest ranking in OLSP, you can earn 10K this month. Okay, we have the monthly prize pot is $17,650 in prize money. Okay, so you can if you accumulate a lot of points, you can reach $3,000, 10K first prize, $3,000, $1,500, $1,000. This is the prizes. So even if you reach the 20th place, you still get $50. Okay, and this is just from gaining points. This is just, and this is in addition to your income. Okay, so this is how you can earn points. Let me cover this really fast. If you log in every day, you get 2 points. For every new lead you get, you make 3 points. New sale gets you 50 points. New purchase 20 points. New comment 1 point, and comment rejected, that's -1 point. Okay, so this is how you can participate in the contest to reach the biggest prizes in OLSP. I hope you like this video, guys. If you have more questions, just leave them under this video. You will find the links under this video, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Cheers. Bye bye.